Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay A Morning Walk. Let's start. Early rising and morning walk keep us active all the day. I am also very fond of morning walk. I get up early in the morning. I go to mosque and offer Fajr prayer. My friend Hamza also joins me. Then we go out for a walk. Many other people also go there. We enjoy the cool breeze. Some people do jogging in groups, others only walk fast. Many of our friends also read there. We walk in grassy plots. We breathe fresh air. The chirping of the birds cast a spell over us. We spend an hour in gleeful mood. In the meantime, the school time approaches, so we return our home to go to school.